Chinese ambassador to Nigeria, Dunhai, said that the challenges posed by U.S. tariffs on global trade is a crisis with opportunities for enhanced cooperation between China and Nigeria.
Whether the world is going to go into a recession, which the probability is increasing. But on the other hand, if we see it from a positive side, I think it really, as I mentioned, it also provides some opportunity for China and Nigeria, and for China and African countries. Because number one, I believe that China and Nigeria last year, during President Tinubu's trip to China, our two presidents agreed to elevate our bilateral relations to a comprehensive strategic one. And we signed over a dozen of cooperative documents. And since my arrival as ambassador, I have seen several huge, big projects that have been landed in Nigeria, which each project's worth roughly $1 billion. So I think this imposition of tariff by US really provide a kind of opportunity for China and Nigeria to deepen our cooperation.
He disclosed this in Abuja during a news conference to address the China-US economic and trade relations and tariff issues, highlighting the potential for China and Nigeria to bolster their partnership amidst the challenges posed by the tariffs. The ambassador stressed the significance of upholding a free and open multilateral trading system, which he said was crucial for driving the development and revitalization initiatives of African countries.
I could specify in a few areas. For instance, first, import. I mean, the Nigerian import to China. Because of the tariff, because of the trade war launched by the US, I would believe that China is the largest market in the whole world. So it provides opportunity for Nigeria and for African countries to have more export to China. As I mentioned, last year we signed an agreement on the exportation of Nigerian peanuts to China. And now we are working on another two agreements. One is on soybeans, and a third one is on the aqua products. Actually, we would like to have Nigerian oil to import to China, because currently I have seen only a very small portion of oil in the export of Nigeria's products to China. The second area is investment, because the impact, the uncertainty created by the U.S. tariffs. I think now many of the entrepreneurs are affected, particularly I think the SMEs, as mentioned by the Honorable Minister of Industry, Investment and Trade in Nigeria. So for China, we believe that Nigeria is a big market. You have over 200 million population. And so we would like to have more Chinese investment. Actually, as a matter of fact, the past 1 month, I was told that there are many Chinese entrepreneurs came to Nigeria to identify, to discuss, to explore potential opportunities, to have an investment in so many areas. For instance, renewable energy, for instance, in agriculture, and for manufacturing industry, so on and so forth.
The ambassador reiterated China's dedication to working closely with Nigeria to realize the outcomes of the FOCAC summit and to promote mutually beneficial partnerships. He highlighted the shared commitment to upholding a multilateral trading system, combating protectionism, and fostering a fair international environment for economic progress and global cooperation.
So I see there is a huge potential for more investment, which will contribute to the industrialization and also agricultural modernization of Nigeria. The third area I would see is the infrastructure building, which over the years, Nigeria remains China's largest engineering contract partner in Africa. So I would believe that in the future we will see more cooperation in infrastructure, because I believe, as a developing country, China sees the key role that played by infrastructure, because infrastructure will certainly improve the connectivity the convenience, the efficiency, and then it will boost the development of the economy. All in all, I see that there will be more synergy between China and Nigeria, particularly between China's modernization and Nigeria's renewed hope agenda, particularly in the 8 areas identified by the president. So I'm very optimistic there will be more opportunities for China and Nigeria looking forward.